Let's stand up. Then you can be putting one leg to support the whole body to stand up. Yeah, so it's like that, right? So we are sitting. So we can be doing different things sitting, and then we can stand up. I will usually move the left leg behind and then stand up. So my hand is holding the qi. So let's do it again. I'm like this. So I could be doing different kinds of movements earlier in other videos. And I can be standing, holding the qi in the hand. And I can round the arms. So this is a good standing position. So as for my leg, your foot, turn the foot in a little, like the foot, you're standing like this, you move it a little bit, adjust, so the body can sink down a little bit, if you like. Instead of straight, you can sink down the body a little bit. Loosen up the waistline, turn the toe in, even turn the toe in a little bit. Like this is more round. So we turn toe in to help energy being kept round. So if you like what I do, please check the link below, and then I look forward to see you on the other side. Check it out now.